On this session, we are going to cover the various types of discounts that are possible in CPQ. When you first start thinking about the discounts in your implementation, you will need to talk to the business, understand how discounting currently happens today in the business, and how they also want it to behave in the future, because the way the discounting is happening today may not necessarily be how they want to continue. So CPQ has a few options. So one being at the quote level, you can say, all right, the sales reps can enter in, let's say, a 10% discount across all of the products on a particular quote. That's an option. They can also get down to the product level, right? So instead of having the discount span across all of the products, they can discount at the particular product level. There's also, before I get into discount scheduling, just understand that this quote level and product level, this is all manual discounting. So the sales reps actually have to enter in a percentage, and the business gives them the authority to do so. We do have what's called discount schedules, which is an automated process of discounting. So it removes the guesswork in a sense. So the business has a particular discount, maybe based off of quantity, that they want to automatically apply and not have the sales reps deviate from that. That's an option as well. So in addition to the quantity discount scheduling, you can also do a term-based discount schedule. So if if there's a subscription product and they wanted to provide a discount on that subscription product, you can define the dates at which that discount will be available on that particular product. And secondly, we also have customer-based discount. You can, let's say you have a huge customer and they do a lot of business with you. So in that situation, you want to make sure that they may automatically get a 20% discount because they just have been a loyal customer. We can set that up as well. And we'll have videos to review how to set that up. And then you also have partner and distributor discounts as well. So depending on the setup of the business, if that's warranted, you can provide that discount to a partner or distributor as well. So going into, let's talk about some of the manual discounting. Let's say star-shaped rice balls, maybe. So we see that the unit price is currently $3. And let's say we wanted to have 1,000 of these products here. Let's calculate and see where our total is. So you can see our net total is 3,000, unit price is 3. So if I were to apply, let's say, a discount for this product of 10% and click calculate, we see here our 10% discount has been applied to the $3. But let's say we need to add multiple products here. So if I'm adding additional products, let's go to another rice product. Maybe let's select the rice balls. And the rice balls are also $3. So what if we don't want the sales reps to have to enter in a discount for each line? So we do have the ability to be able to enter it at the quote level. But as you can see here, we don't have an additional quote field that we can cascade down. So what we'll do is we'll go ahead and save this. And I'll show you how to add that additional discount field. So in order to have that additional discount show up at the quote level, we need to go to an object manager. We need to go to the quote because that discount lives on the quote. So again, we talked about field sets, but this is where you would also go to the field set and we would go to the quote line editor because that field set is on the quote line editor screen. And you will do a search for additional discount percentage, and you can add it here so that the sales reps can add it to their quote. So if I go back into my quote on the quote line editor screen, you'll see this field additional discount. Keep in mind, if you have a discount here at a particular product level and you come in and add it to additional discount here, it won't override what you have on the product level. So let me just show you what that will look like. So if I enter in 20 and I click calculate, as you can see here, there is a 20% discount only applied to this rice ball because we didn't have an additional discount, right? And maybe for easier math, let me also set that to 1,000, calculate. And so as you can see, the net, the 20% was applied to this one, but this star shaped rice balls, it kept the 10%. But if I were to remove this discount and click calculate, you'll see that the additional discount overrode what was there. And so we're applying the additional discount across the entire quote of all of the products. So going back to our PowerPoint, in addition to the quote and product level discounts, we have the partner and distributor. So you would do the same thing. If you needed to expose those particular discounts, you would just go here and expose it and click on save. And once you do a quick save, you would see that field come up. So if you needed to add that partner discount, you do have that option to do so. And coming back into the quote line editor, now you see the field here. So if there was a situation where the requirement is, well, for rice balls, well, we don't want to provide a discount because maybe our margins might be low. We don't want that capability. So what you could do in that particular situation, you actually would go to the product. CPQ does have a field if you check non-discountable, then it will not allow a discount. So let's go to rice balls and click on edit. Easy to find it easily. So you can see this field here. We have a section here for CPQ discounting. And if you check non-discountable, then it won't allow a discount. The same for the partner discount as well. So if I click on save, I've already added this. So let me remove this product and go back and add the rice balls. And select. So as you can see, automatically we have the 20% discount at the quote level, but we didn't get this discount here on this rice ball because we selected that it's non-discountable. In addition to that, the additional discount on the product level is locked for this particular product only, and it's editable for the other products. Okay. So that takes care of all of our manual discounting. On the next session, we will cover discount schedules and customer-based discounting.